Hey everyone, today we will discuss our new chapter 12, Weather and Clothes. Now we know that we wear the different clothes in different season. So in this chapter we will discuss the wearing of the clothes of the by weather. So you can see, look at the picture. First, identify the type of the fabric shown in this picture. Now we know that our jeans are made with the silk. Yes. Now the next one, do you wear these clothes in hot sunny weather? Our answer is no. We do not wear these clothes in a sunny weather. We wear these clothes in winter season. We wear this cloth in winter season. Now, identify the type of the fabric shown in this picture. We know that these clothes have been made with the help of wool. Now, next one, what is shown in this picture? When do we need to use it? Now, we know that this picture is identifying the umbrella, and we use this umbrella in rainy season, because in the rainy season there is heavy rain, so we use this umbrella in that season. Now, what is the children wearing a raincoat or a jacket? We know that the children is wearing a raincoat for saving with the water coming as a rain. Now you must have noticed that we have experienced different types of weather in different days. Some days are hot and some days are cold. It is very common that some days are hot and some days are cold. Now sometimes the sky is overcast with the clouds. Yes, it also happen. I might know that you have seen in your area in sky. While some days are windy, the weather is not the same every day. On some day it's rain. We know that weather is not same as well. It changes in a hour, few minutes. So it do not depend that weather will be same in a whole day. It can change suddenly. But season takes month to change. So when the seasons changes, which changes our clothes, and it takes time to change. Suppose when the summer season is going on, then we use fans, coolers, and when the winter season is going on, we use heaters to keep our body warm. In summer season, we wear light clothes, and in winter season we wear the woolen clothes which protect our body by giving heat, because in summer season we feel hot and in winter season we feel cold. So there are many difference between weather and season. So again I tell you that weather change certainly and season change by taking time, as month, and weather change suddenly in a day also. So it's a very big difference between weather and season. But we wear the different types of cloth according to weather or season. Suppose if there is a rainy condition, then we take umbrella or raincoat. Or if the day is sunny, then we wear the light clothes to keep our body cool. If the weather is cold, then we take hot clothes to make our body warm. By this we have come to know the difference between weather and season and different types of clothes we wear.